You ever notice how everyone in America suddenly has a side hustle? It's like having just one income feels risky now. The truth is, even people with good jobs are hustling on the side now. Because rent, bills, and inflation aren't waiting for payday. So, I spent a year testing side hustles that actually pay in the US. Number 1. Sell homemade crafts on Etsy. Let's start with something creative, where your story sells more than your product. Yep, we're talking about Etsy, the platform that turned hobbies into six-figure businesses. And no, you don't need to be an artist. My friend Jenna started making candles during lockdown, just for fun. Then she listed them on Etsy, just to see what happens. Her first sale came from Texas. She cried. People don't buy candles, they buy emotions. Jenna's bestseller? A candle called Post-Breakup Energy. You can start small, $50 in supplies from Michaels, Target, or Walmart. She now makes $2,000 to $3,000 per month. All from a kitchen that smells like vanilla and hustle. Etsy's secret? Personality beats perfection. Every listing you make is a tiny store running 24/7 while you sleep. Don't overthink it, your first product won't be perfect, but it'll teach you everything. Americans love authenticity. Show your face, tell your story. Okay, from candles to collars, let's move to something furrier. Number 2. Dog walking. Dog walking is huge in the US. Rover, Wag, these apps are booming. I once made $80 in a single morning walking dogs. It's perfect for weekends, exercise plus money equals win. No meetings, no spreadsheets, just tails and trails. Apps like Rover make it easy, you set your own schedule. Plus, Americans love tipping their walkers, especially during holidays. One client gave me $40 just for walking their pup on Christmas Eve. Bonus, you meet new people in your neighborhood. And if you love animals, it doesn't feel like work at all. It's therapy, honestly. Many dog walkers earn $1,000 to $1,500 per month part-time. And all you need, good shoes and a heart for dogs. Now let's get behind the laptop, and talk digital. Number 3. Data entry. Data entry might sound boring, but the paychecks aren't. Companies pay $15 to $30 per hour to organize spreadsheets and forms. It's like cleaning up digital clutter, for money. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Indeed have tons of listings. Data entry is perfect for introverts or remote workers. Data entry is perfect for introverts or remote workers. No calls, no stress, just quiet focus. Consistency pays. The more clients trust you, the more they pay. And yes, Americans hire remote workers from the US and abroad daily. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, and reliability pays rent. Now let's go treasure hunting, literally. Number 4. Flip items from Goodwill. Americans throw away gold every day, you just need to spot it. I once bought a $5 leather jacket, sold it for $85 on eBay. This hustle is about knowing value, vintage, collectibles, or brand names. Use eBay's sold items filter, that's your secret weapon. Some flippers even hit $3,000 per month just from weekend hunts. You can start local, Goodwill, yard sales, Facebook Marketplace. It's like adult treasure hunting, and yes, it's addicting. The key? Learn one niche, shoes, books, tech, anything. Every flip teaches you something new about value. You start seeing opportunity everywhere. Alright, let's end with a side hustle that builds legacy income. Number 5, create a course on Udemy. Udemy lets you earn money from your knowledge, any topic. I created a simple Excel course, nothing fancy, and it sold. My first $50 felt better than my paycheck. You don't need a studio, just your phone and clarity. People buy simplicity, not perfection. Udemy does the marketing, you just upload and earn. My students came from 20+ countries. It's crazy, someone in Canada learning from my US apartment. Each course you make becomes an asset, like a tiny business. And once it's live, it keeps earning, even while you're asleep. The hardest part is just starting. Most people never hit upload. But the first step, that's where your freedom begins. These 5 hustles aren't trends, they're options. You don't need all 5, just one that clicks. Because the truth is, in 2025, multiple incomes are survival, not luxury. If this video gave you an idea, that's your sign to begin. Subscribe if you're serious about building your American dream, one side hustle at a time.